Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Well, our next guest didn't just wait in the lineup for an iPhone 4 once. He did it twice so he could get two.
That's right. Akash Sablok is joining us. How are you, Akash?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Twice in line,
I'm a little tired, you know, from standing in line so many times.
Might give you some sort of nerd crown.
I think so, yes. I get a gold pocket protector.
So what time in the morning did you get up? Because everybody knows the iPhone 4 are absolutely impossible to get your hands on.
Well, the first time I got up at, thinking I'll go stand in line at 5 or 6 in the morning, and then I heard that people started lining up the day before, so I said, screw that. I got up at 3:30 in the morning, I stood in line. And I get there, and there's 250 people ahead of me.
And this isn't you. Who's this?
That's my brother, Ashley, so I'll just give a quick shout-out to his birthday today. So
happy birthday!
Happy birthday, bro!
Yay. He likes Fiona, doesn't like me.
Yeah, that's a different story.
Okay, the iPhone 4, it looks different. We all heard about the reception problems that they had in the U.S. You've had it for a few days now. Are you having any problems with the iPhone 4?
I mean, I've used it almost about 11 days now. I haven't had any problems with the reception. And you know, I think the biggest thing is, and I'll just show you here, when you hold a phone, the problem was where people were touching the sides here. There's a little cut here. But I mean, realistically, when you hold a phone, you hold it like this.
Yeah.
I never hold my phone like that, you know? So I haven't had any trouble. There's other ways to do it. There's Bluetooth devices. There's so many other options that you have, speakerphone, everything, you know, and it's...
Now, what else is different? What else is better with this phone?
Well, there's a lot of things. The design, okay, so it's got glass on the front and back instead of plastic on the back.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a nice solid metal band. The metal band is the antenna. 5-megapixel camera on the back.
So it's getting up there with regular cameras, which is absolutely amazing.
And it's got a flash
It's got a flash as well.
For people.
A little finicky on the flash. It does have I'm going to turn this around, it has a front-facing camera. And that opens up a whole new options. The biggest thing is FaceTime. FaceTime is a built-in application on the iPhone 4. It works only from iPhone 4 to iPhone 4. It works through the Wi-Fi network. So basically, if you're on a call, or even if you're not on a phone call, you hit FaceTime to a contact, and instantly you're doing video chat.
Whoa.
And it's so cool. I've
heard about it, but I didn't realize how simple it was. I didn't realize it was single. It's like sending a text message or an MMS or something.
Exactly. Single button, and you're in real time. Your face. And I've done it with my cousin over in Bombay.
Crazy.
So you're communicating back and forth, not paying long distance.
So
when someone tries to do that to you, do you get a little ping on it, or is it like an email coming in?
Well, your image comes up right away, so you can see yourself before you answer.
Yeah.
And sometimes you might maybe want neck up only.
How's that looking? All right.
So, and then it'll say this person would like to do a FaceTime chat.
That's fantastic. So you're loving the iPhone 4.
I am, definitely.
All right, so let's move on to the next one. This is called the Zom Bluetooth. Tell us what this does.
So it's a little device here, and it's from Zom. It's just, you know, it fits on a keychain here, and I've paired it with my my iPhone. It'll work with any Bluetooth device, and basically what it is, it's called a Bluetooth leash. And it's for people that lose their cell phones or leave their cell phones, and I've done this before.
I don't like to have things in my pocket, so when I'm shopping and stuff, if I want to hold something up, I'll put it down on the shelf.
Yeah.
I can't even count how many times I've walked away from it.
Oh gosh, and this will prevent that, because what it does is it's got the range here. Now, if you walk away from the Zom, which is in your pocket, this is what you're going to hear. It'll start to vibrate, and you can't see that, but then it'll start to flash, and then there you go.
So you know you've left your phone somewhere, and you're going to go back and get it and save yourself $800.
Exactly. So this is about $100. But the cool thing is also if you are driving or you're somewhere where you can't pick up the phone, this doubles as a speakerphone.
Get out.
Yeah, it's got a little mic and a speaker built right into it.
Well, and for $100, that is compared to the price of putting a whole speaker system in your car. It's very reasonable.
Well, the sound, I mean, obviously it's always a little
bit of a difference.
But either shoplifting or you forgot your phone.
Okay, let's go to the Amber Alert GPS system. Now, this is something you can put in your kid's backpack. You can strap it to their leg if you like. This is
one of those devices that why didn't somebody think of this earlier? And once you get it, how can you live without it?
Yeah.
This little device here. This is a little receiver. It works on the 2G cellular network. There is a 3G version coming out in a few months. Yeah. But this little device, it's rechargeable. It sits in. You can put it into the little pouch here, which is actually waterproof. Okay.
Oh, get out.
Yeah, it's great. And or leave it in the child's pocket or strap it on a leg or something like that, and you can hide it. And what the device is designed to do is track where the child is. Now, it goes one step further. Because it's on the cellular network, it communicates with you. So what you can do is if you're on your phone, you send it a text message and just type in where. It'll send you a message back of where you are, and you can see the map right on the cell phone.
So we have this paired up so that we can see the map here, so it's found us here at the Shaw Tower.
Yeah, so you can do it from any desktop or, like I said, any smartphone.
I understand what this is for, but this has creepy connotations to me. Well, people will not use this as intended.
Let's get your mind back to where it's...
Okay, yeah, okay. No,
but
kids,
if you have
excellent.
a kid who tends to run off, and
Yes.
I was one of those kids,
Yes.
they run out of the playground at school, all of a sudden, where are they? You can find them.
Instantly. And the cool thing is you can set parameters. So if you know your child is at school, from 9 to 4 or 9 to 3, whatever, you can set like a 30 or 40-foot parameter around the school.
And it'll alert you.
The minute the child leaves that parameter, boom, it'll alert you.
Great.
You can do one-way monitoring. So you hit monitor on you send it a message with the word monitor, and you can actually listen into where the child is.
That's quite brilliant.
Okay, we've got to move on because we've got quite a few.
How much is that? Sorry, just the Amber Alert is $300 plus.
It's $300 plus the plan that you can get a monthly plan, and there are discounts available too.
Peace of mind. People will pay it, I'm sure.
Okay, this is exciting for people that leave their chargers in hotel rooms or various places because it's really expensive when you have an iPhone or an iPad to buy another charger.
This is a great charger from Griffin. It's very portable, very small. In fact, here, I'll just show this here.
So it's got the wall unit?
Yeah, it just plugs it in, and it's got a standard USB, so you're not limited to your iPhone or your iPad. You can hook up basically anything on the bottom here. You can hook up any USB device onto it and charge it. So your camera.
And how much
It's $25.
That's great.
It's a great deal from Griffin, yeah.
Nice. Microsoft Home and Office, still the standard, despite, I'm sure, other people wanting it not to be. But
Yes.
it's a great utility.
School's coming up. This is the latest version, 2010. The last one was 2007. So they've added OneNote to it, which is basically an electronic binder. It puts everything into it. It's like carrying your binder with you. So your notes, your drawings, your text, everything is in there.
Nice. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, good for the kids coming up.
And what have we got here? This is for the music lover.
So this is iHome's IP39. It's a great device for the kitchen. It's got a clock, radio, everything like that. Even got timers for cooking. But get this, you hit this little button here. Out pops a dock.
I'll do that again. I couldn't see it.
Out pops,
it comes out right there?
Yeah, out pops a dock for your iPhone, your iPad, whatever. You put that on there. And then it'll just take a second here. It'll catch up. And...
Did I break it?
No, you didn't break it. We're good.
Oh, there it goes. Crank it, peg it, baby. We're in the kitchen. It's a party.
Okay, enough of the dancing. That was embarrassing for everyone involved. And this has a radio on it for the old-timey people.
It has a radio function. It actually has a USB port on the back if you want to charge your camera, your iPhone, whatever you like to do. Comes with a remote control. $100.
And once again, Shaquille O'Neal has put out a mouse, which is great.
What is that?
This thing is so huge. What is this for?
You got to get hand extensions on it.
I know.
That is actually a trackpad. And they're so rare, but they're making a comeback because they're great for drawing things. So if you've got a photo that you've done, you've spent all this time taking all these wonderful photos, but you want to touch it up, it's really hard to do with a regular mouse. Whereas this, with a trackpad, you got 4 buttons, you got a scroll wheel, and
I cannot remember the last time I had a mouse on my computer.
That's because you're a Mac user, man.
Well, trackpads are good too.
Yeah. And the best part is everybody in our studio audience gets a free iPhone 4 today. That's right, we don't have a studio audience, so it's super awesome.
That's right. Take that, Oprah. You could have saved yourself thousands.
Okay, we're going to, thanks so much once again. We're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to find out about bar fitness, what it is, and Mikey and I are going to be getting our ballet on right after that. Still go away.
Excuse me. I get my zom's going to start beeping.
Yeah.